Hi there, this is George Kosch. I'm the CEO of Worldprofit, and love to do these new videos with extra things that we're adding to our modern blog system. And today I want to just cover widgets. Widgets are great because they allow you to take things like your last 5 or 6 postings that you've done to your blog and add them to any site that allows you to post code to. And of course, Worldprofit's sites allow you to post code. So let me just show you the widget area. When you go to your main blog admin area, you'll see up here in green, it says Blog Widget. You click on that and it'll bring this up. And just to show you what the widget looks like real quick, we click on it and you can see your last 5 postings. You can increase this and you can change the size of this with no problem. All you have to do is go into your width. You can make changes to it, make it wider or thinner. It's up to you. And the height. So say that you wanted to show, 10 blog postings. Obviously, there'd be a scroll bar here, right? You don't want that. You want to increase the height of it. So say I said, well, I'd kind of like to show 7 postings. Let's just try the height, 750, for example. Makes it pretty straightforward. And automatically this goes up. And you can see that's pretty good. A little bit of space at the bottom here in the container, but that looks pretty good, right? So what we can do is we can copy this code now, and we can go to our member area here for Worldprofit. And of course, it'll bring up our website management. And about the 5th one down, you'll see the affiliate center. And you can add some code here. And we're going to call it just, the blog widget. And then you just post the code in there that it gives you. You don't need to do anything else. And you save it. And then you want to say where you want it. I'm just going to say on the left-hand menu at the bottom. You don't want to do a thin widget like this. Like you can see it. You don't want that on your footer. You definitely want it on the left or right menu. And I'll make it number 1. And we want to show the code. And we just save it. And then we can go to our website and take a look and see what it looks like. If I hit refresh. And if you scroll down, you can see there's my widget. Looks really nice. And if people click, they go right to the article on your blog. So it's great for Google, great for scanning. Google's going to come in, take all these links. And this is specially designed widget so that it simply works. It's just wonderful, very easy to use. And if you have another blog, like a different WordPress blog or another website for that matter, you can adjust the settings all you want in your blog area here and have fun. Enjoy this. If you have any questions, please take the time and fill out a support ticket and we'll help you. Thank you.